Hello everyone, welcome back to ViaVia's kitchen with me, Lala. Today I will make purple klepon. It's made from purple sweet potato and also sticky rice, and later on I will show you the details about the ingredients. Now I will start from here. So the basic for the purple klepon is made from the natural purple color, that is sweet potato, 200 grams of sweet potato, and here I have sticky rice flour, 150 grams sticky rice flour, and then I have 50 milliliters of coconut milk, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt, and here I have palm sugar for the filling. Palm sugar, 150 grams of palm sugar, and also here I have coconut, fresh grated coconut for the topping, and salt. Later on I will season with salt and then I will steam it. And for the first step I will show you how to make the klepon. First ingredients is purple sweet potato, like this. Yeah. First I will peel off and clean the potato. And for your information, the history of the sweet potato is brought by Spanish to Indonesia in 16th century. And there are 3 colors of sweet potato that common in here. That is purple, white, and orange. Usually the orange is a little bit sweet. It's more sweet than the other. We usually call it honey sweet potato, and the texture is a little bit soft. And for this occasion I'm using the purple one. And some of you maybe know that klepon in Indonesia, that made in Indonesia, is in green color. Yeah, and the green color itself, they are made from pandan paste, the extract of pandan leaf, as you can see here. But today I will recreate the klepon with sweet potato. Here I cut the sweet potato into cubes. And then we can wash the sweet potato, and then after that do the steam for 15 minutes, and then after that it becoming like this. This is already steamed sweet potato, and after that smash it the sweet potato until it becoming puree. Okay, I will skip this session, and then we will move to make the klepon. Okay, for the next part I will make the klepon. So I will smash the sweet potato, smash it until it's becoming puree. And in Indonesia, people in Indonesia, they are eating sweet potato as a substitution of rice, because as you all know, sweet potato is contains of high fiber and also carbohydrate, and it's also healthy for some people who do the diet. And after that, until the texture is becoming like this. Yeah. And then I will mixture in the sticky rice flour. I'm putting here. Then I'm adding with salt and sugar. Put in here. I will mix it up. And for your information, there are many ways to cook the sweet potato. You can fry the sweet potato, you can bake, and also steam, and also make it as a soup, sweet soup actually, to make like a traditional beverage. Yeah. After that, I will put in the coconut milk, little by little, until it becoming dough. If you come to Indonesia, you will find so many sellers of klepon, but the color that they sell is usually green, and the taste is just as good as this. Okay, after the klepon become dough like this, the texture is very neat. Make sure that the texture is very neat and it's not stick on your hand like this. Yeah. Little tips: put the coconut milk little by little, so it's not becoming like too soft, but it's neat dough like this. Okay. Before that, I will mixture the topping, that is fresh grated coconut. I put it on a plate, and then I'm seasoning with salt, half teaspoon of salt, like this. Mix it up, and then I'm preparing the steamer, and also I'm using pandan leaf for the aroma. Okay, if you don't have pandan leaf, you can skip this step. Okay, because I only put the pandan leaf for the aroma. And then I will put it in a steamer. And then steam the coconut grated for 10 minutes, okay? Meanwhile, I can continue to the step. Okay, I have already shown you the texture of the dough, and then while before that, I will boil the water. I'm preparing the water to boiling it. Low heat of fire, and then we can continue to roll the dough. Put a little dough, about 5 grams, and then make a hole. Put the palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar, okay? But maybe the taste will be a little bit different, but it's okay. And also I will tell you about the philosophy of the filling. Why the palm sugar is inside of the klepon? It means the sweet filling means the hidden kindness of someone. So in Java, there's a lot of philosophy of the cooking. Okay, I will continue to finish to make small cute purple ball of klepon. Continue until the dough is runs out, and we will back to boil, and I will show you how to plate. Okay, after this is the result after we're shaping the dough and filling it with the palm sugar. Here they are. And then now we are ready to boil. Make sure that the water is already boiling, and then the klepon is ready to put in the boiling water. And also don't forget to prepare the steamed coconut for the topping. In boiling the klepon, make sure you can make the temperature of the fire is in the medium until low heat of fire. Do not too high. After the water is boiling, and then I will put in the klepon. Cook the klepon for about 2 until 3 minutes, or to make sure the klepon is already well done, it will floating. So it means that the klepon is ready to strain. And do not stir too much because it will stick to each other, but don't worry, it will loose by itself. As you can see here, that the klepon is, some of the klepon is already floating. Wait for a moment until it's really well done. Okay, and after 2 minutes, the klepon is already floating, and as you can see here, the size is double size as before. The size is bigger than before. Then strain it, and then we can put it in the coconut. Roll over the klepon in the coconut, and after the klepon is ready boiled, and then it's done, and then I will plate it a little bit with pandan leaf, and the klepon is ready to eat. It's ready to serve. It's like this. There are interesting stories behind the klepon. Usually that you will find in Indonesia, you will find the klepon is in a green color, and the green color itself is represent the wealthy and also the fertility of in Indonesia. So that's why the color is green. But today I recreate the klepon in a different way, but it's still yummy, it's still delicious, and also healthy snack for you because it's made from sweet potato, and not a lot of substitution like sugar. Here I'm using palm sugar. It's good for you to make a healthy snack. Okay, and now I will try to eat the klepon. I will try the klepon. You know what? The klepon is so delicious, and the texture is chewy. The balance of the sweetness and the savory from The fresh coconut grated is perfect. So as you can see here, the palm sugar is melted. I will show you the inside like this. So that's why I close my mouth when I'm eating the klepon. It's also based on Japanese eating etiquette that you have to close your mouth when eating klepon. So otherwise, the melt palm sugar can be spit out if you are open your mouth. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to make this healthy snack, and see you. Bye. Thank you for watching, everyone. Happy cooking.